Model: 70-plate Citroen Relay Boxer 35 Heavy L4H2 BlueHDi 140S and S driver spares OR repairs Massive van open mouth Smile Trader margin body, white, panel van mileage, 106,616 MOT. The 30th of October 2024 engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, sat-nav, air-con, electric windows, 2 keys, cruise control EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.